What do you think, Max? What do you think of that vacuum? Huh? Colton, come check this out! Colton, baby, come here! Hey, Coda, come check this out! Go see. Look. Isn't that cool? Isn't that the best? It's got like a little thing on the side to flip stuff out of the corners to get it so it could suck it up. That's pretty cool, huh?
Hey, Jay!
Look at it. Come on, get that little piece. Not yet.
I was chasing somebody.
I'm chasing this.
I mean, like, I have to do random stuff to get them. And if I don't get them in time, I have to find an alternate route to get in.
An alternate route? Did it pick up that paper yet? Not yet.
Yeah, an alternate route is like...
Thanks. Move.
It's annoying.
It's annoying.
No, not that. Finding the alternate route.
Oh, on your game?
Yeah. That's awesome.
Something you don't have to do anymore. Something that I can do all by myself. Push a button. Max, are you not impressed? No.
I think it's because it's not like a big...
He started at first to like kind of go after it, but then I scolded him and he's been fine. He's like, I'm out. Kennel.
It's a vacuum button.
See what happens. Will it go over the carpet?